Hey, this is Daniel Stouffer. I'm just doing a quick overview of the Living Book Movement public websites, and I'm going to go through a quick demo of the reader experience in the prototype app that I've built, and then I'll also do the author experience. So probably going to cut this up into 2 or 3 different pieces, but we'll go through this here now. So what you see is the actual public website that's out talking about the Living Book Movement. It talks about the vision and the problem and why now. And then I've launched an actual MVP product, the first book that is an MVP for the Living Book OS. It is intended to be a learning experiment where we kind of put things out there in the public and see how it goes. And then as the book and the platform are built, we'll kind of go back and forth with the authors who want to join and the readers who are interested in having a look. So the Living Book is really all about how do we take a physical book that used to just sit on shelves and be kind of a static thing and turn it into a living asset that becomes intelligent in the fact that it can, learn, understand, collect information through intelligence of the document about who's referred it, who's read it, have we referred it to a customer who then has bought the product, the book. So it's really about taking a static book and turning it into a living file that is able to travel throughout the world. And the website here talks about all of that and how that process works. I won't go into this a lot of detail. It's just the fact that you can go to livingbook.net, learn about all of these things where, rewarding distribution is compensated. Authors who will then own their own lists, and the readers who then end up buying the product or their book. All of this information is collected, and the authors have much more visibility into that process. And what's really unique about this is it gives us the opportunity to publish our books for readers who want to enjoy that content, basically give the books away for free. And then as the experience of engaging with that book becomes more and more valuable to the reader, there's opportunities to engage with the author in some interactive AI kind of features where the author and the reader can explore the book together. If there's more value being produced as the reader explores that book, then maybe they want to refer it to a friend, maybe they want to leave a book review, maybe they want to add comments and join community around that book, like a book club. All of these mechanisms are built into the actual book file itself. And then further exploration into how, if the value is being if the value is being shared between the author and the reader, maybe the reader actually wants to just go ahead and purchase or give the author compensation for the value that book is delivering right from within the book itself. So the book becomes a viral, if you want to use that word, a viral product that can travel throughout the world, peer-to-peer, hand-to-hand, between those who enjoy that product, and then also have the ability for the author and readers to engage in community around that book. And it doesn't have to be confined to a platform, doesn't have to be confined to a physical book. It becomes an asset that travels the world with its own life. That's the whole concept. So again, the livingbook.net really goes into that process, explains it, and you can explore all of that there. Part of what has been published so far is the idea in a kind of a manifesto perspective. I wrote a manifesto that explains this whole concept. And then also I built a public-facing AI assistant that was really kind of me, that has a lot of these details about, well, what is this, how does it work, ways for you to get involved and learn. So you can use this chat experience that I have going on the public website right now to learn more about what this all is interactively, and it's been trained on all of those informations. So you can go there, learn that, explore the chatbot, and then part of the public website is a way to get further involved if you want to do that. So that's the public website. That's all I'm going to do for this one. I'm going to jump over and then demo the actual experience for the reader and then the experience for the author. Thanks.